here I am open that app, which is we are going to see how we are going to create this app. See here in this app, if we put welcome, then it will show what we enter the screen. So let's we go to the Sketchware to see how this app is working. Okay, I am opening the Sketchware app. So in this app, in bottom right corner the plus button is there. So we have to press that button. We need to create the new app name. We can choose that display to text, create app. Okay, now we use. So here first, for every Sketchware applications, the Java program will be as orientation will be the vertical. So linear layout is automatically it will become in vertical mode. Orientation will be vertical. So in this vertical, we need to linear vertical and need to select the width to max parent. Okay, here if we see the source, so linear layout in vertical orientation, a vertical will be added. Okay, so we need to this linear 1, so we have to change the background color to indigo light color. Okay, we selected. Then we need to put linear horizontal. This linear horizontal, we have to assign height to 100 dp. Then remove the margin. We assign the margin to 4 and save. Then background color, we need to choose that indigo dark. Okay, so we need to take another horizontal linear. In this, we have to set the height to 100 dp. Then margin will be 4. Then background color, we need to choose indigo dark. So we need to change another linear horizontal. Select height will be 100 dp and margin will be 4. And background color, we need to choose indigo dark. Okay, then we have to assign vertical linear vertical, and the width is match parent. We need to assign an image for this. We have to set the background resource. We have to select the background resource. So here there is no background resource available, none. So I need to import the image. In the bottom right corner, a plus button is there. We have to add the image. Press that button and add the image. In from gallery, so we have to take the image from the gallery. So we will take this image. save the image. Now we go to the linear vertical layout and we have to assign this image to that so that it will show in the front page of the app. And select background resource to image. Okay. Now we have to enter to the logical view. This is the image viewport. We say for every app there is it is very important for the appearance. So now we have to assign the text view, then text view, again text view, and this button text, then edit text. So first we need to change the text view 1. See here text view. So text view 1, select. So layout gravity we have to assign center horizontal. Okay. And a text color will be yellow. Okay. And text size will be 16 dp. Okay, select. Then again we will go to the edit text. Layer gravity, center horizontal, text size 16, select. Text color will be yellow, dark. Okay. Again we will go to the text view 2, layout gravity, center horizontal, text size will be 20 and the text color will be yellow. Done. Then we will go to the button, me to text button as show, save, and the text color will be yellow. Assign. And layer gravity we have to assign center vertical. That's all. So here in the text view we remove the text. Okay, say then we will go to the logical part. Logical part means button. This button, when button 1 is clicked, we go to the view, text view, put in the text view and then get text, the text view. Edit text 1, we are taking the text in text view 1. We need to display in text view 2. Okay, select. In text view 2 we need to display the edit text value. Okay, so after that we remove the edit text one. What we entered, we have to clear that one. So I cleared. The value is showing null. Okay, that's all. The logical part is completed. We will run the. So now the logical part is completed. Now we go into the view part, and then here we need to assign background. For show button we have to assign the background color. Background color will be red color. Okay, red color. Yeah. Now all the program is completed. We have to run this and compile and to get that APK file. Okay. Java is compiling. APK is building. Okay. Done. Setting. So for this APK is to be installed, it will ask for installing, and we see that it is showing that under resource. So we have to choose allow this installation only. Okay, install. Now installing is going on. Now app is installed. Now we open the app. Yeah, okay. So good day. Yeah, it's showing very good. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you again in next video.